Okay, family, here we go. I started slicing everything. Yes, I did. Walked in, started the day with everything. How you doing? Talk about the weather, this, that, and another. Not really this, that, and another. But the camera shut off. Oh well, no mistakes, evidently. We were getting ready to blink because I had just started slicing up some of these vegetables. And you know, some things that we think are vegetables are fruits, you know, like tomatoes. Okay. But anyway, yes, we had just started that. So we're going to finish it. Yes, we are. We're going to jump right back into our blink. Let's do that. Yes. Okay. This is our stir fry day. Yeah. So yes, family, we have our red peppers, our green peppers, yeah, and we're not going to use much of this cabbage, just a little bit of the cabbage. Do this for now. Good. And like so. I'm telling you, these little Dollar Tree cutting boards are something else. They are something else. Stand the test of time. And be careful here with this. And I'm just going to take me a little bit off of the cabbage. Yes. Not much, just a little. Well, let's see. We got this here. Get this back. Like so. And then we're going to also rinse this, you know, that. Okay, so here we go. I love this knife. There we go. Oh. There we go. Okay, beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, the color? That's going to add some to our stir fry. Yes, it is. So I'm going to do this. Here we go. Like so. Like so. Here we go, family. Yeah. That'll be amazing. We don't need that much. So I'm going to put this back here for now. We don't need much, family. This is going to go into, here we go. We're going to rinse this. Yes, we are. Cold water. Run through that. And while that's happening, here we go. Like so. Like so, fam. Okay, now we got some onion here. This is our white onion. Okay. We don't need much of this because we have something else that we're going to use also. It's going to help this out. There that goes, and this goes back into this bag. We just like to do a little bit of the work also, family. That's our situation over here. We like to get down and do some of the work also. We don't like to do, I mean, we might add, do this. Just going in like this. We might add some shortcuts, you know, but, and what I mean by shortcuts is every now and then we get us a pack of something that's already mixed up, cut up, you know, for us. We'll do that. Put this in here. But not all the time. We like to do some work, you know, put our spin on it. Okay, so that's going in with the white onion, like so. There we go. Okay, so give me a second, family, okay? Give me just a second. And we'd like to ask you to subscribe to our channel. Come on over here and join us. Okay, family, here we go. So, put another glove on. And, well, here's our meat. Let me put my glasses on so I can see. Yes. Okay, so we have the eye of round thin. Okay, it's beef eye of round. There we go. And we didn't pay much for this. We paid $3.77 for this. And we got this from Aldi's. So, great price. Okay, now I've washed this meat, you know, rinsed it off really well. And we got to do some slicing here. And I'm going to take this off for now. We're going to turn our skillets on. Let's see, we'll do a mirror for this one also. And I did put grapeseed oil in, but we're going to add some more. This is our Simply Nature. Grapeseed oil is 100% grapeseed oil, no GMO, okay? So here we go. We'll put some more into the skillets, and I'm going to let you see about how much I have here. Skillet isn't warm yet, so I could pick it up without oven mitt. But really what I should have done is, that should be a practice of ours to always use mitts, you know, but it's covered really well. So got that. This one, it's sitting for a minute, so I will use a mitt, and it's covered well, okay? So we're putting them back. We're letting these warm up, and we got them just under low. Okay, now we're gonna put our gloves back on, and we're gonna slice this meat. Yes, we are. I should be able to slice through like this. So let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. That's nice. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. We can do this. Yep, working out. Working out for us, family. That's what we want. Just go through it like so. Watch those fingers. And as I always say, Dollar Tree knife, you know I'm gonna go here. $1.25 all day long. I didn't catch it before it became $1.25. You know, I should have caught it at $1, but hey, you can't beat it at $1.25, really. Okay, so works well. It's been doing this thing. I got a couple of these, so that's all that matters. Okay, well, you know we don't have to do that. Let's do this. We take these off, put those there. Do this. This is parsley flakes. Open that up. And we're going to open up our steak seasoning. Okay, these are Stone Mill products. Steak seasoning, Aldi's All Day Long Stone Mill. That's the brand. Parsley flakes, All Day Long Stone Mill. All these, like I say, 97 cents. Can't beat it. Then we're using Morton sea salt today, okay? So that we're going to put on our meat. Like so. And what I want to do is we're going to take this cabbage, and we're going to put that cabbage into this pan like so. I'm going to turn that up. And I'm going to get a mitt because I want you to see what this is looking like in this pan. I don't have a problem bringing it to you. There you go. Beautiful color. So we go back. It's between medium and high. This is where our meat is going to go. I'm going to turn that toward medium. Put another glove on. And let's get the seasoning in here, okay? So what we want to do first, let's put some of the steak seasoning on. Like so. Like so, family. It's working it. There we go. Be generous with it. Okay. Sea salt. Okay? Like so. Parsley. And we're going to step over here and add that into our fryer. Like so. So it's sizzling. There we go. There we go. And we can do this. Like so. That's like that. So this is working out for us, family. And we're going to stir this cabbage with a clean spoon. Like so. That's over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get what did I do with it? What did I do with that dish? Is it down here? Nope, it's not there. Oh, boy. I'm going to do this, family. Let's take this one. Place that there. And I don't want to go back to that meat, you know, or better yet, back to the cabbage, I'm trying to say. So I'm going to get another spoon. This is going to be for the cabbage. Now, this is the cabbage, okay? So I set it here and I know what's happening. This can go over here, like so. And let's clean this up a little bit. But yeah, let me go back to the beginning of this today, family. I started the video. I came in, you know, and we greeted each other. That's what we do when we walk into the room. But okay. There we go. The camera turned off. So turn this down now, and we're going to add the peppers. No, we're going to add the onions first. So add the onions after the cabbage. Put this over here. Then you can put your carrots in. So you want to stir it like so. And so here it is, you know, like turning it, that's what we're doing. So, okay, step over here. Okay, these are natural organic grape tomatoes. So we're going to use a few of these. I'm going to do this, reach in here and get a few of these out, like so. Rinse, like so, family. And then I have my little knife here, and I'm just going to step over here and do this. We'll do it like this now. Cut the end off. And it's got the juices, so, oops, well, juices squirted on over there. I got a cleaning job, but that's okay. I'm going to do this now. Like so. That can go in. Like so. And I'm thankful that these are sturdy, where I can put these in. Oh boy. Yes, I got a cleaning job. Okay. Alright, so good. There we go. Okay, got one more here. Didn't see it. Everything smelling good, looking good, family. Smelling good and looking good. Okay, this can come over here. And rinse. I'm going gonna do this. And this meal does not take long at all. Not at all. We have to be careful over here on this stove going around these eyes. So, working out just fine. This can go over here. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to put our peppers in this pan, okay? So we have our red and our green. Turn that back up between high and medium. Here we go. We're going to do some stirring. Looking good. Looking good. Good. Okay, now what we want to do is we have some Burmans, that's B-U-R-M-A-N apostrophe S. You can get this. This is stir-fry sauce. This is the General T-S-O apostrophe S sauce. There we go. Okay? So this is good. We're going to put some of this in. Start with a tablespoon. That's one into our meat. And so, that's one. That's two. And then we're going to stir it. There it is. 2 tablespoons, that's fine. I'm beginning to feel like I need a bath, so I almost feel like I'm going to sneeze. Now what we're going to do is just clean this off. And I am going to step to the side and cough. There we go. As they say, no harm, no foul. Mild Gardenera. And this is Tuscan Garden. You get this all day long at Aldi's also. This is going into our vegetables. So we're going to just take a tablespoon, start out. This has come off the fire now. It's ready. There we go. You need to add some more, you can. Later on, you know. And we're going to do this. And broccoli. Takes the broccoli a while to prepare, you know, break down. It depends on how crunchy you want it, so that I cooked earlier. Okay. Off. Mix. And so, be careful there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our paper towels, like so. This goes in the refrigerator. Here. Comes over here. This can stay out. This goes. I usually wash and put out extra utensils. I put them there because I feel like, you know, it might be a possibility that I need to use them. So I like to put them there. Okay, this will go here. There. Put all this out of the way. Like so. And then we're going to plate this, okay? So we're going to plate it, family. Yes, we are. So I'm going to go over this like so. All this to the side. Okay, and now I'll try it. Okay, and I have a dish here I'm going to use. Here we go. Right, so family, this can go here. And I'm going to sit on for a minute. Hey, we got it done. We got it done, family. So we added our broccoli at the end. And the reason why we added the broccoli at the end is because I pre-cooked it. I didn't want it too soft, but I didn't want it too crunchy. You know what I mean? So it depends on how you like your broccoli. But you can put your cabbage, your broccoli, and your carrots in, you know, in the beginning if that's what you want to do. And let those cook because it would take a little longer, you know. And then you know the consistency, how tender you want them. Let's plate this. Yes. Let's plate this. So we're going to start with our lovely veggies. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely. Look at that. Gorgeous. So in we go. Like so. Absolutely. Smells delicious. Let's put it like that. It smells delicious. Yes, I love this. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. And then here we have our beef. Okay. So we'll just go like so, family. Like so. Beautiful. And we'll do this. And that's what your pan's going to look like after you finish, you know. That's out of the way. And what I need to do is put that there, use this one. Take a few of these veggies out. Some onion. I love peppers. Green peppers are so good for you, healthy. You only need a piece of cabbage. There you go. And there it is. It's absolutely beautiful. Yes, it is. This is beautiful, family. Beautiful colors. There. Here we go. Let's do this. Let's do it like this, family. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And that's your stir fry, okay? Didn't take long at all. Did not take long at all. I am so happy that you joined me. Yes, I am. So, let's do this, okay? Let's taste this. Let's taste it. Mm-hmm. And some of this cabbage. Oh, it tastes good. The flavors. Mm-hmm. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, family. Mm-hmm. Excuse me for chewing like this, you know. Mm-hmm. It's a good meal. It really is. It's a good meal. So I know I've been jumping back and forth to this recipe today. I tell you, I'm gonna upload what I tried to film earlier when I was starting out. Came in, hello family, how you doing? All, and all of a sudden I noticed it was off. And I had started cutting the peppers, So I wanted you to see that, but the camera, it did catch some of me cutting the peppers, Oh well, we won't worry about that. Here it is. We got our dish, and that's all that matters. Family, this is good. If you want to have it with some rolls, they have the King's Hawaiian rolls, and then you have Walmart or Sam's Club brand a Hawaiian rolls, and they are really delicious also. They have them in the sizes for sliders, so that could work well with this. Anyways, this turned out really nice, and I'm so happy you're here with me, family. If anyone stepped into the room, we'd like to ask you to subscribe. We enjoy you over here. No mistakes over here, Hey, the camera cut off. Hey, it's not a mistake. It was meant to be. Everything's meant to be for some reason. We might not know it, but it is. So without further ado, I'm going to say I love you, I love you, I love you, family. And I know you love me. And I want you all to be careful out there, St. Patrick's Day. If we leave together, let's come home together. And if we meet up with somebody else out there, they're just gonna have to come home with us, I would say. And then maybe we can leave, but be a nice idea that if you leave together, come home together. We've got our designated drivers, we're looking out for one another, we're loving. So that's what we're doing. And family, as I said, I know you love me. Love yourself first, love yourself always. That's the most important thing you can ever do. And family, I'm going to get back with you soon. I'm just going to say bye for now. Bye.